Welcome to our training program for the latest feature we just added inside the iCDN, but it's a temporary solution that you need to invoke from Chrome browser. It only works on Chrome browser, so with that in mind, you will have an option in here that says iCDN screen recording. When you click on it, it allows you to download that, and in this particular case, I have already downloaded it as a zip file, and I normally try to create a folder called iCDN screen recorder in my machine so I can keep everything separate from everything else, and then I can simply extract that. And now when I want to go into the three-dot line in here to the settings, I choose my extensions and I make sure my developer mode is on, and then I go to load unpack, and then it allows me to pick up the file that I need to pick up, and then automatically adds that button for me here. Okay. Now, if I need to see it, as you can see, it says iCDN screen recorder. So you click to pin it, and now you got the button active at any time through extension. So when you're in the room and you wish to continue with a recording session, then the system obviously asks you permission for your webcams and so forth, and you allow, and then you can either record a tab or desktop or bring your cameras, but more importantly, disable, because if you're doing desktop presentation or recording, make sure your microphone is set up to the right microphone so you pick up the best quality of content that you want. Maybe you want to give yourself the 3-second contradiction, and then you click on start recording. And when you start recording, then it opens up the tabs. You simply choose probably the entire screen. That's my suggestion. And pick up the screen that you want to stream, like in this case, this one. And if you have audio to share from those screens, then you can place that. Otherwise, you just click here and you proceed with the recording. And once the recording starts, it'll ask you for a file name, as you can see. So here, under that folder that I mentioned to you, now you can put a name of a video that you like, okay, and then save it. And now the processing of the recording and everything else begins with the protocol. So as you start moving your screens into different arenas, talking about different subjects or bringing different presentations together and so forth, then you can simply carry on with your plan and so forth. So here is where you can all of a sudden become into a metaverse, right? And then travel, do different things, but those are different subjects that we are not going to get into. But we just wanted to let you know with the recording that now you can click stop recording, and then the system automatically creates the recording for you. You can download it or save it to your Google Drive. And if you want to hear it, then you can obviously click here on the player and it plays for you. I hope that helps you to use this. Later on, when there is an updated version of this, then we're going to ask you to remove this and update it from Google Play as those technologies are submitted for approval. So once they are approved and they are posted on the Google Play, then you can simply use that from Google Play and install it there. Thank you.